All right, year 2. So this one starts off with a review of year 1. So let's go ahead and just get right into that. Okay, so quick reminder about our pyramid of notes. So we have a whole note, that's up here. A whole note is our 4-beat note, takes up a whole measure of 4/4, and that splits into a half note. Stem can go either way. Remember, if it comes down, it comes out of the left side. If it comes up, it comes out of the right side. Those are 2 beats. Those 2 each split into quarter notes. So 2 quarter notes equals a half note. 2 half notes equals a whole note. Again, these stems can go either direction depending upon the situation. These are going to split into 1/8 notes. And we're going to beam those 2 together right now. Okay, so 8/8 notes in a measure of 4/4, 4 quarter notes, 2 half notes, 1 whole note. These are 1 beat. These are half a beat each. Paired together, they are 1 beat. That's where we're at right now. And let's just go through our rests really quick to make sure. Okay, our magic hat that hangs down, that's our whole rest. 4 beats of rest. It can be 3 beats if it's in 3/4 time. It can mean a whole measure of rest, or it can mean 4 beats of rest. Or it could mean both if you're in 4/4. That splits into 2 half rests. Those are, they come up from the line, top hat, 2 beats. Those split into quarter rests, zigzag, backwards 3, Harry Potter scar, whatever you want to do. And those go into, and I'm not going to do all these out, but 1/8 note rests. Make a little dot and have a 7 come off of it. Okay, these rests are half a beat each, etc. Okay, so with that, I am just going to go through these very quickly. We've got our metronome. We're doing 70 beats per minute. And let's go through and clap and count each of these. Okay, that's all we're going to do for time's sake. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now remember, you're holding notes steady throughout this whole process. So use it as an opportunity to make sure you are taking good breaths and you're making good sound out of your instrument. All right. Now we're on to 1/8 notes. These are half a beat each, right? So 1, 2, and these 2 together are 1 beat because they're each half a beat. And remember, they subdivide. That word is subdivide. They subdivide the beat into 2 even parts. The beat always goes first, and then the subdivisions are after. In this case, it's only 1, and it would be called the upbeat because it's when the beat is when your foot comes down, and when it comes up, that's the upbeat. So 1, 2, and. Got it? All right, let's clap and count this bad boy. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. Quick reminder, these 4 beam together. Since it's only a single beam, these are 1/8 notes. Okay, we wouldn't do this across that divide between beats 2 and 3 because we like to see where the measure is split in half. But when it's on 1 and 2 or on 3 and 4, we can do them like this. You can see here that these are split down the middle because we don't like to beam across 2 and 3. Okay, into the 1/8 rests. T. By the way, in this year 2, we're going to start to get away from saying the rhythms. Okay, so we're going to mostly count. Okay, these are all off the beat rests. Okay, or on the beat rests and playing off the beat. 1, rest, and 3. Ta, ti, ta, ta. But let's just go ahead and count it. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and a quick reminder that our dotted quarter note is like 3/8 notes. So this is all one note, but you can pretend it's 3/8 notes tied together. 1 and 2 and. And for right now, still, we are always going to have an eighth note at the end of that dotted quarter note. So this rhythm right here, this is 2 beats. Okay. Let's clap it and count it. Ready? And here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And remember, you're not clapping this 1 and 2 and. It's 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Tum, ti, ta, ta. Okay, so 3, 4 times. Simple triple. Now, we are going to see some non-simple time signatures in this level, in this year packet. But for right now, a quick reminder that simple means that our eighth notes we have 2 eighth notes in a beat, and we're splitting it in half. 2 and. Okay? And triple meaning there's 3 beats. Dotted half note is 3 beats. Remember, a dot adds half of the note's value. So this is 2 beats. A dot is half of 2, which is 1. And that makes this 3 beats. Okay, let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, rest, 2, and 3. Okay. 16th notes. A quick reminder about these. They are double beamed, and now 4 of these is 1 beat because we're subdividing the beat into 4 even parts. The beat, which always comes first, then E is in between and in the beat, and then and of the beat, and then So this would be on the E of 2, this is on the and of 2, this is on the of 2, and this one is on to itself. That's when the beat comes down. Simple duple time. 2 beats in a measure. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, we end up 1, 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. I'm going to sing this one. And ready, go. Da 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 da. And triplets and over the bar ties. Quick reminder, we only have ties in this packet, no slurs because we have no actual notes, so it's always a tie, which means that you're just going to keep holding it. Starts on 3, holds all the way through beats 1 and 2 of the next measure. And triplets, we're subdividing the beat into 3 even parts, 2 and 1 and this is going to be a big thing later in this packet when we talk about compound meter, which is not simple meter. All right, here we go. In 4/4 time. 2, clap and count. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And then the test is what you have to do. And this is just a review test of this one. Now watch out for right here. This is the hard measure. The rest should be pretty easy, but I'll get you started on this one. Actually, I'm going to do this one with you, and then you can do the rest. Okay? So remember, after a bar line, it's always beat 1. And this takes up all of beat 1, so that means this is on beat 2. Okay? And it's a rest with an eighth note. So ti, or 2 and so we rest on 2, put that in parentheses. Then, so this is all of beat 2. That makes this all of beat 3 and this all of beat 4. So this one, we're playing on the beat and resting on the and of the beat. Remember, the subdivisions always come after the beat. And again here, we're playing on the beat and resting on the and of the beat. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and ta, T, 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 or da, dot, dot, dot. Okay, you can do the rest, and that is the level 1 review.